What's happening?
Tell you exactly what's happening.
Yo, what go on, teach?
I tell you what, go on, it's a weekly update, which, as you know, meetings. Air freshener's gonna go
There we
away,
go.
innit?
You can tell us the first take, innit?
You can tell us the first take. They say this won't be the one who goes live, will it? Still no handles in here, every option.
Right, we don't need handles. You're going to keep on moaning, but come on, teach. Give them an update.
Well, as you may tell, we are now on the way back from the Wingwall. We're not on the way to the Wingwall.
Yo, not my fault this time.
No, because we had to film some intros, outros for some other videos, which you'll see coming up shortly.
Exciting stuff.
And also stuff for Portal Paranormal, our paranormal channel.
Definitely.
Given that, 2 days ago we was in the Skerrid.
Yeah, damn straight. It was good to go back. I tell you what, though, man, as if we don't, need more bloody challenges or bloody businesses to run or whatever. I don't know why we do it to ourselves.
It's our passion for the game is what it is, isn't it?
Right.
I'm a bit low-key. My eye is killing me. Hay fever's killing me today. Go on, you can shout again.
Right.
Now.
I'm going to start this one off. AJ Retros, this Sunday, near Puthcall, that sort of area.
Something on the screen if I've got something to put on the screen.
Damn straight. So our boy Alex, good friend of us both.
You may remember him from the Evo 5 video. Lovely boy, quite understated,
Damn straight.
but good at what he does.
We filmed a lot of videos there as well, and
We have, yeah.
obviously that's where my Beetle was a couple of weeks ago to have all the work done. He's having an open day. Starts at 9:30 on Sunday. Continues throughout the day, I think, Try and get there for the morning, innit? But, it doesn't necessarily have to be air-cooled. Have you got something cool JDM, a classic car, something retro, something American, something highly modified, be there on Sunday morning.
Basically, you could take in a bloody Nissan Micra and he'd have a look at it. He can work on anything. But if it's cooler, it's better for cameras and stuff, innit? Dressing gown vibes.
Yeah, but anyway, it's cars and coffee, that's what I might add. Come and have a coffee.
And bring a car. So there we are, that's the first bit done. Oh yeah, apologies as well. We haven't got outside footage today because one of the GoPros isn't working very well at the minute. So we've stuck to this one. So
it is hump day after all, or we'll allow it this once or twice.
Yeah man, definitely. Second thing, Ben with the swans in it.
Swans.
We need to have a word about, but we need to speak about Ben.
Yo, first off, before we speak to him,
yeah.
Congratulations, Ben boy. Passed your theory test today.
Wingwall Wednesday, this is your theory day. Absolutely, that bus is gonna...
Oh, you prick. You absolute prick.
See, this is the danger of not having outside cameras now. Anyway, look, Ben passed his theory test today, that's wicked. But when we went to the Bristol cruise, he flew his drone around for 20 minutes. Pissed as fuck, amazing. I might say. He's the one who got the copper waving. But we're so appreciative of it. He's such a good little drone pilot, even when he's pissed up.
He is, though.
I can't wait to see what he can do sober. if I ever meet him sober, I'll be honest.
Yo, fair.
But there's another little thing he's done. He's done a parody of us. There's a video going to be coming out of that shortly.
Which is fucking hilarious,
it's
to be
good
honest.
stuff, so we wanted to say, well done, son, for doing that as well. Nice bit of effort done now with Grant and Reese, our little homies from fucking back in the day, innit? Doing all our other cruise stuff. Feels like it's been fucking ages. So it's been a couple of days since a cruise, Jesus.
You alright, son?
I'm okay? Not too bad. I got my food. I want to get home.
Yeah, alright, sorry, teach. Go on as quick as I can. Bit of
Don't
traffic.
teach me, son, bitch.
You are teach. Yo, everyone teach him, teach.
Don't teach me, man.
Damn straight. Oh.
I know a boy who didn't have his stop-start turned off, right. Grant. You can tell him, he does it too. I apologise for having to cut that. Jordan just said something incredibly distasteful.
No, I didn't say shit is what I did.
He said something
no,
incredibly distasteful.
Don't do that. I said what you said.
Remarkable scenes in the M4 today.
I said what you said, but you're not going to show because you do all the editing. Losing battle from the start. I tell you what, Dan is in 2018. That's all I'm going to say. People who know. What's happening? Oh, woman, isn't it?
It's not Torchwood, it's not Doctor Who, it's not Terminator. I'm not in 2018. I don't know what's going on.
The OGs will know. The OGs will know.
I'll be honest, I used to think I was an OG. I am going to lose, it's all happening, isn't it? Jesus. Anything else you want to bring up in this year video? Oh, I know what I can bring up. Cruise videos, Welsh cruise videos, they are coming. Stop banging on about why you putting up Bristol videos and paranormal and shit. Everything's coming, right? My laptop is absolutely fucked. The screen is fucked.
True story.
It's overheating. I can't do nothing on it. I'm doing what I can fucking do.
Yo, it's not taking a piss. We're working as quick as we can. And at the end of the day, where there's a lot of like mad hooning in videos, it takes you bloody a day just to blur the number plates.
Certain videos it does, yeah, sometimes longer.
So that's not a rant either, but you know.
Oh no, I mean, I'm not going to be as stupid as to say something like, you can have videos the same week so long as I can show all your number plates doing all your illegal activities, racing. You Mexico races, innit? But exactly, I'm not even going to go there.
Yo, they're rolling, they're rolling.
What we do, we protect people. Everything's coming, don't worry about that.
Exactly, there's a backlog of them. Not a backlog, but you know, it's just as of when they drop, but I've shook him this morning and I've said to him, right,
Fucking think he did.
you teach.
Right.
I want to drop things in this order. Right?
He's given me an order now, right? I've given him all of the things. There are 15 videos I'm currently working on. No shit, 15. I've got them listed on a A4 bit of paper.
Straight. So anything
He's
that's
put them
coming
in
in
order.
the next couple of weeks is in the order I've given him. So if you want to hate on someone, hate on me.
8 on him. It's his order. Oof. Coming up.
My
What day
order.
is this?
This order. It's happening.
Fuck me, innit? I'll give you my order. I want a fucking refund. I haven't got a receipt. I'm going back. Right. Check it out. This is probably going up on Friday.
Yes.
So that means yesterday the Blackwood video dropped.
Yeah.
Which means that the next one for me to finish, but I'm nowhere near finished and the laptop's knackered, so we'll see what happens, innit? Would be the Amazon video.
The Amazon strip.
Amazon strip video, the
Now,
first one from about 2-3 weeks ago.
That was hosted by obviously City Meets and Revamp. Shout out to our boy Tommy and Maria as well. Actually, we always shout out, so Tommy and Maria getting one.
Oh, we can't shout out Fowler, can we? Most hated man in South Wales, isn't he? Or has that now been taken up? There's a few crowns being battled for there, isn't it? There's a lot of things going on in the car scene in South Wales at the minute. I shouldn't have said none of that, but I'm leaving it in.
Leave it in. But anyway, the location one was Puthcall, which was more of a static meet, aside from some hooning. So, you know,
it was a tiny bit of little grass.
I thought, let's bring you excitement. So let's do bloody the racing strip first, because the Amazon strip, because that was, you know, Mexico that night was strong. That was a good night.
So there we are, all weekend now, right? When you were like comfortably doing whatever you're doing, I'll be there blurring number plates. Remember that?
It's true though.
Remember
it's true though. But yeah, aside from that, there's a lot of cool stuff coming. Obviously, there's some shows coming up that we are booked onto, so we will see you there. But there's some locations me and you want to go and do, and it's about time we drop. I was going to take a piss and say track 5 then, but...
No, not track 5.
It's about time me and you drop the other little thing that we want to be going to do for a little, maybe a Wednesday video, this, that and the other. And don't worry, challenges are going to be coming too as well soon. That's happening, but you know what I'm saying? Oh, taking you there, going to Slims you are, but going to Slims. I don't know why I tapped your leg for that, but you're going to Slims.
Real Slim Shady, that's what
it's happening, but...
I didn't know what you were on about.
There's little bits of different things that are going to be dropping, just to keep the content pretty cool, pretty random, pretty different, aside from the cruises and car reviews and all that stuff. Why not? Let's torture ourselves a bit more.
The one thing that'll be consistent is this pair of dickheads, isn't it?
Yeah, damn straight. But no, as I say every week, thank you so much for all the love, all the, you know, the sharing the videos, the liking it, everyone that's subscribed. Why haven't you subscribed? If you're bloody watching it, subscribe. Aside from that, just thank you.
Thank you. Give us a little thumbs up if you haven't. It helps us out. Go back and give us a thumbs up for the last 3 videos we put out as well, seeing as we're a little bit down on them at the minute. Helps us. More people get to see our stuff, innit?
Damn straight.
Remarkable scenes up in this bitch. Anyway, thank you for watching. Thank you for liking the video. Thank you for subscribing if you didn't. Anyway, till next time.
We done, Teach?